Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be back on this red Rovan Baja 5B. If you missed the last video where we unboxed this thing and broke it in, go ahead and click up here and check it out. Great episode. This thing is awesome. Now that we have this thing broke in, we're going to take it out to our drag strip, which is just a big parking lot. But let's get out there and let's run this thing. We're going to see how fast it goes. Now I know this isn't ripping up the grass and ripping up the track, but we just want to see how fast this goes, and we're going to compare it on a different episode to our other Rovan Baja 5B, the HPI Baja 5B, and the Kraken. So stay tuned for that, and then we'll take it out and rip it on the track. So with that said, let's get right into the video. All right, let's get it started. Let's make sure that everything's working good.
All right, we got a little bit of action.
Got some action.
We got some chokage.
Yep, I've got some chokage here.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Flip
man,
the choke off.
Good. All right. Let's get some time to. Oh, we gotta set the GPS up. Zero. Peak speed. Zeroed out.
Okay, zeroed.
All right, we got it secured in location. Now we're going to drag strip it out and see how fast it goes.
All right, he's got the GPS
Stuck under there.
stuck under there.
Yep. All right, so we're only able to get it up to 33 miles an hour. So I'm going to tweak it a little bit and see if we can't get a little bit more top speed, because it just feels like it gets up to a certain point and it just kind of stops. Doesn't go any faster. So I'm going to clean it out just a tad, see if we can get a little bit more air and see if that works. So you can chase me again, Jimmy, on the drone.
That's some pretty fancy flying.
It was. You did good. Good job. Hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's free and it's awesome. You know, we're awesome. We got awesome content like this thing. So do it. Hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Back to the video.
All right, what is it?
All right, this went to, we changed it over to kilometers per hour, so you probably saw that, but it went to 55 this time, which is 1 kilometer per hour more than what it was. So I'm gonna see if I can change it over. Still says 33 miles an hour, but it's probably close to 34 now. But anyway.
You want to lean that needle just a smidgy? Turn her another 1/16.
Okay.
Don't go more than that. What is it?
It didn't even get it. Average speed 1 mile an hour. That's not what I wanted.
What? So are you getting the full throttle?
I don't know.
Because turn on your radio. So now give it gas and see. Maybe it's okay. Maybe just a little bit. Just a smidge. Right there. All right, let it rip. Survey says
33.
33. Well, I guess that's all she's gonna get.
It's got to be gearing then.
Well,
I'm gonna turn it back down a little bit on the 2-speed because,
just a smidgy.
and I'm gonna lean out the. It's not. I can tell it's a little sluggish.
Can you? Okay.
So I'm gonna turn this off because I don't think it's gonna get any higher. But I want to get this thing good.
Okay.
Working.
Radio, Nana. There you go. Okay. That seemed like it went faster off the gate. That's the most she got, man.
I think it's the gearing because I mean it gets up to a certain point and
It's the same gear as mine. Yeah, watch the ankles. Gotta watch them ankles, man. I was on crutches. I was hobbling like an old man that I am after whacking my ankle with mine. That hurt for me for months.
Well, there you have it. We did the GPS test on this thing. I love this car. It is amazing. I can't wait to get it out on the track and try it out. And we'll have to do some GPS tests with some of the other Bajas we have in the Kraken and see what they do, because I want to test it against this. But we also have a surprise coming for this thing too, which I can't tell you about because it's going to be awesome. So stay tuned for that. With that said, that's going to be it for this video. So God bless you, God bless America, be empowered, out.